Hi dear students, in this video I am going to discuss how to solve the given pair of equations which are not in linear form. How to reduce the equations in non-linear form into linear form, then solve it. Clear? So it is very important section of this chapter and these types of questions are usually asking for your public examination. So it is very important to know how to solve these types of equations. So let's start it. So here, these two are not in the general form of linear equation, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Because to become a linear equation, the power of the variable should be 1. But here the power is minus 1. Clear? Because 1 by x will be x raised to minus 1. So just I am rearranging this equation 1 by 2, this we can write as 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by 3 into 1 by y is equal to 2. Similarly, I am writing here 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y is equal to 13 by 6. Now, let us substitute. This is the important step of this solving these types of problem. Okay? Substitute. P is equal to 1 by x and Q is equal to 1 by y. Okay, so we don't need to substitute as 2x and 3y, we just need to substitute 1 by x as P and 1 by y as Q. So what is the term which consists of the variable in denominator? Put that as P and Q. So we get this equation will be 1 by 2, that is 1 by x will be P divided by 2. 1 by 2 P will be P by 2 plus this will be Q by 3 is equal to 2. This we can give as equation number 1. As well as here it will be 1 by x will be P, so P by 3 plus here it will be Q, so Q by this will be 1 by 2, that means Q by 2. 1 by 2 into P will be P by 2. 1 by 2 into Q will be Q by 2, which is equal to 13 by 6. Equation number 2. Now here I am going to solve this pair of equations. Now these two equations are in linear form because the coefficient, the power of P and the exponent of P and Q are 1 now. Okay, fraction is the either we can eliminate the fraction or without eliminating also. So here we can use elimination method or substitution method. Here I am going to use the substitution method. So by substitution method, what will we get? From this is equal from equation 1. From equation 1, I am going to write P by 2 is equal to 2. This Q by 3 I am going to take to right left side, it will be minus Q by 3. Clear? So then P by 2 is equal to, take the LCM, we will get 6 minus Q divided by 3. That implies, to take into here it will be P is equal to 2 into 6 minus Q divided by 3. That is, we have written P in terms of Q. Now substitute, this is equation number 3. Substitute equation 3 in equation 2. Because we have written equation 3 from equation 1, so we cannot substitute in the same equation itself, so we need to substitute in equation number 2. So what will we get? P by 3, that is P is 2 into 6 minus Q divided by 3, that is P divided by 3. Again one more 3 is there. P by 3 plus Q by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Then this 3 will be here, so 2 by 9 into 6 minus Q plus Q by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Now just find the LCM, just add it or cross multiply it. We will get 4 into 6 minus Q plus 9Q divided by 18 is equal to 13 minus 13 divided by 6. Then simplify this one. 4 into 6 is 24 minus 4 into q is minus 4q plus 9q is equal to 13 by 6. This divided by 8 take into 18 take into here, it will be into 8. Then minus 4q plus 9q will be plus 5q is equal to, this is cancelled to 3. 13 into 3 is equal to 39 plus 24 will be minus 24. That is q is equal to 39 minus 24 is 15 divided by this 5 will be on divided by 5 which is equal to 3. So q is equal to 3 we have got. Now we need to substitute this value of q in equation number 3, though we will get a p. So substitute for q in equation number 3. We get p is equal to 2 into 6 minus 3 divided by 3. That is equal to 2 into 3 by 3 which is equal to 2. Okay, now we have solved the q and p. But we need the value of x and y. So now we need to resubstitute this one again. So what we need to do? P is equal to 1 by x is equal to, what is 1 by x? What is p? 2. Okay, so p equal to 1 by x, that is equal to 2. Clear? That implies x is equal to, take the reciprocal, it will be 1 by 2. Take the reciprocal on both sides, it will be x and it will be 1 by 2. Similarly, q is equal to 1 by y is equal to 3. Q is equal to 3 which is equal to 1 by y because we substituted q as 1 by y. Then take the reciprocal on both sides, we will get y is equal to 1 by 3. So this is the solution of this given pair of equation. It's very important type of question. Clear? Next I am taking option number 8. Same as the previous one, but there is some difference. Clear? So here 10 by x plus y. So x plus y is, we can take together because we cannot separate it as it is on denominator. Clear? So that we can substitute p equal to 1 by x plus y and q is equal to 1 by x minus y because both equation has x plus 1 by x plus y as well as 1 by x minus y. Clear? Then the equation what we will get? 10p. Clear? 10 into 1 by x plus y, that means 10p plus 2q is equal to 4. Equation number 1. Similarly, we will get 15p. 15 into 1 by x plus y is 15p plus minus 5q is equal to minus 2. Equation number 2. These are the two equations we have got. Then here 10p is the 15p and 2q is the minus 5q. So here I am going to use elimination method to solve, because now this equation in terms of linear equation because its exponents as 1. So by elimination method, because better elimination method, better we should be practiced with all the methods. Okay, so whenever we get a suitable equation, we can choose the appropriate method. So by elimination method, what will we get? Multiply equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 2. To make coefficient of y equal in magnitude. That means here we multiply by 5, it will be 10q. Here if we multiply by if you multiply by 2, we will get a minus 10q. So when we add plus 10q and minus 10q will be eliminated. So we get, when we multiply by 5, multiply equation by 5, we will get here 50p plus, here it will be 10q is equal to, here it will be 4 into 5, 20. And in the second equation, when we multiply here by 2, 15 into 2 is 30p, and minus 5 into 2 will be minus 10q, and here it will be minus 4, because minus 2 into 2 will be minus 4. Adding these two equations, okay, we need to add, okay, adding equation 3 and 4, equation 3 and 4, okay, we are going to add these two equations. So what will we get? 15 plus 30, 50p plus 30p will be 80p, plus 10p and minus 10p adding, it will be cancelled. No need to change the sign, okay, when we add equation. Is equal to 20 plus minus 4 will be 16. That implies p is equal to 16. 80p is equal to 16. So p is equal to 16 divided by 80. Cancel it. What will we get? With 8, what we will get? 2 by, it will be to 10. Again 1 by 5. So p is equal to 1 by 5. Substitute for p in equation 1. I am choosing equation number 1 because this is the simplest one. Equation 1. So what will we get? 10 into 1 by 5 plus 2q is equal to 4. That implies 2q is equal to 4. 10 by 5 will be 2. Plus 2 taken twice, it will be minus 2. So therefore q is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2 divided by this 2 will be 1 here. So which is equal to 1. So now we have got the value of p is equal to 1 by 5 and q is equal to 1. Now we substitute it. So p is equal to 1 by x plus y, that is equal to 1 by 5. Taking the reciprocal on both sides, we will get x plus y is equal to 5. Equation number 5. And q is equal to 1 by x minus y is equal to 1. Taking the reciprocal on both sides, what we will get? X minus y. What is the reciprocal of 1? 1 only. Equation number 6. Now solve these two equations. Now again we have got two linear equations. Okay, again we need to solve these two equations. So we can solve by elimination method. By elimination, adding equation 5 and 6, we get x plus y is equal to 5 plus x minus y is equal to 1. Add it. 6 minus y plus y minus y will be 0 and 2x. So that we will get, what we will get? 2x equal to 6, that is x equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. Put x equal to 3 in equation number 5. Okay, what will we get? 3 plus y is equal to 5, y is equal to 5 minus 3. Plus 3 will be minus 3, which is equal to 2. So what is the solution? Final solution, x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. In some questions, even after we solving p and q, we will get another two linear equations. Again we need to solve that pair of equations. Then only we will get the final answer. Okay, so two set of solving process is needed. Clear? Now we can discuss some situation problems. Okay, based on this concept which we have discussed. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. So here, two concepts we need to understand. What is downstream and what is upstream. So before that, we can put the variables. Let the speed of rowing in still water be x kilometer per hour. Okay, why is kilometer per hour? Because the distance given in kilometer and unit given in the time given in hour. Now, the meaning of upstream and downstream is that suppose a boat or a ship, anything is moving through a stream, okay, then we will discuss this concept. We will use this concept. If a boat or any object, anything is moving in the same direction of a stream, then we will consider that is downstream. Okay. And if an object, anything, car or boat or ship, anything moving in the opposite direction of the stream line flow, in the opposite direction, then we will consider this as an upstream. So, what is the difference between the downstream and upstream is that in case of downstream, distance traveled by the boat will be longer than or the greater than the distance traveled by the boat or object in upstream. So here, why it happens means when the boat or rowing in the same direction of streamline, the individual velocity will be added and the boat will be moved faster or the object will move faster. While in case of upstream, it is moving in the opposite direction of streamline. That means there will be a drag in the opposite direction of the motion. Because of that, the net speed will be decreased or the total speed will be decreased. That will be the difference of their individual speed. Okay? So this is the concept of downstream and upstream. It's very important to remember it because if you know the upstream and downstream, very easy to solve this type of question. Now come to the question. And one more thing is that here 20 km in 2 hours and 4 km in 2 hours. So here time is given in both conditions. So we can use this formula, that is speed is equal to distance traveled by time. This is the formula we are going to use here. So in first case, what is the first case is that Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 20 hours. So 20 km in 2 hours. So speed of rowing downstream is equal to x plus y kilometer per hour. Okay? Oh, what is y? Speed of rowing or speed of stream current. This way speed of current the y kilometer per hour. Okay, both variable we have. So that is x plus y. Therefore, x plus y is equal to, that is speed is equal to distance traveled is 20 kilometer divided by time is equal to 2. Implies x plus y is equal to 20 by 2 is 10. Equation number 1. We have got first equation. What is the second condition? And in second case, speed of rowing will be upstream is equal to x minus y kilometer per hour. This is a simple situation we can understand. If we are moving against the flow of anything or water or stream, it is very difficult to move it. Okay, that means the total velocity will be reduced. Effective speed will be reduced. X minus y. Then find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. Then what will be according to this formula? Speed x minus y is equal to, what is the condition? Upstream 4 km into hours. So distance is 4 km and time is 2. So that implies x minus y is equal to 2. Equation number 2. So this is the two equation we have got. It's very easy to solve it by elimination method. Try it yourself. Now I am taking question number 2, option number 2, very important question. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work, and also that time taken by 1 man alone. So we have to find the time taken by 1 woman alone and 1 man alone. So let's put the variable as it is. Let the time taken by 1 woman alone be x days. Similarly, the time taken by 1 man alone be y days. Okay, now we have put the variables. Then 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. So our variable is in they can complete alone. But here the question given 2 women and 5 men can together. So we cannot directly substitute. Because 2 women, 2x plus 5y we cannot. Because here we have put the variable as 1 woman, the time taken by 1 woman alone. So we cannot directly substitute. So we need to get it. This is one of the important type of question. Not only for a board examination, for even the BSc examination also, it's very important. Here we need to calculate in 1 day how much they can complete. So in 1 day, a woman can finish 1 by x of the work. 1 by x of the work. Why it is 1 by x? Because, for example, suppose if we need 2 days to complete a work, then in 1 day we can complete half of the work. That means 1 by 2. 2 is the number of days required to the work. Or we need 3 days to complete a work. Then in 1 day we can complete 1 by 3. 1 by third. In second day, 2 by 2. In third day or last day, we can finish the work. Clear? So that means if x days required to complete a work, in 1 day we can complete 1 by x of the work. It's very important to remember this concept. Similarly, a man can finish 1 by width of the work. That is very important. Now, first case, what is the first case is that 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. What is the first case? 2 women and 5 men together finish it in 4 days. Okay, 4 days. So 2 women and 5 men together finish it in 4 days. Therefore, in one day, they can finish 1/4 of the work. 1/4 of the work. Same as we done here. If x days needed, it will be 1/x completed in 1 day. Similarly, if 4 days needed together, if together they need 4 days, then in 1 day together they can finish 1/4. That means 2 into in 1 day, 1 woman can finish 1/x. Clear? That means 2 women can finish 2 into 1/x. Plus 5 men can finish 5 into 1/y is equal to 1/4. That implies 2/x plus 5/y is equal to 1/4. Equation number 1 is very important. What is the second case? In second case, it is saying that 3 women and 6 men together they can finish it in 3 days. Together finish in 3 days. That means that implies same as we done here. 3 into 1/x plus 6 into 1/y is equal to 1/3. Because they need 3 days, therefore in 1 day they can finish 1/3 only. That implies 3/x. That implies 3/x plus 6/y is equal to 1/3. Equation number 2. Okay, now we have got 2 equations which are not in linear form. Then we need to proceed the same process what we have done in the beginning. Clear? You can solve it. You will get the values of x and y. Now, question number 2, option number 3. What is the question? This is also very important question. Many times, these types of question asked for board examination. Ruhi travels 300 km to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 600 km by train and remaining by bus. If she travels 100 km by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and bus separately. So, the quantity which we have to find is the speed of the train and the speed of the bus. So, let the speed of the train d x kilometer per hour. Similarly, the speed of the bus d y kilometer per hour. Now come to the first situation. What is that? The total distance is 300 km. She takes 4 hours. If she travels, we can consider this is A to B. If she travels 60 km by train, 60 km by train. Okay, 60 km by train. Clear? And remaining by bus. So, if 60 km traveled by train, then the remaining distance will be 240 km. Clear? Because together it is 300, so 300 minus 60 will be 240. That will be the distance traveled by the bus. And she takes 4 hours. 4 hours. So here, the time taken by the train plus time taken by the bus will be equal to 4 hours. Because she took 4 hours for the complete journey. Clear? So, what is the basic equation we have? Time is equal to distance by speed. Why we are considering here time is equal to distance by speed? Because time is the quantity which we can connect in both situations. Because total time is given 4 hours. That means time taken by the train and time taken by the bus is equal to the total time. That's why we are writing in this form. Time is equal to distance by speed. So according to the question, which quantity is connecting the situation? In that form we have to write. Clear? So here, time taken by the train plus time taken by the bus should be equal to 4 hours. That is the first case given here. Clear? What is the time taken by the train? It will be x. It will be the distance traveled in train. Okay, that is 60 divided by the speed of the train is x plus what will be the time taken by the bus? It will be distance traveled in bus, that is 240 divided by the distance the speed of the bus, that is equal to y kilometer per hour, which is equal to 4. Clear? Equation number 1. You can simplify, cancel by 4 also you can simplify. That is enough. Now come to the second case. In second case, what is the condition given? She travels 100 km by train. 100 km by train. And the remaining distance by bus, that is, it will be 200. 300 minus 100 will be 200 km. That is the distance traveled by the bus. That is the distance traveled in bus. Now, she takes 4 minutes longer. The same condition, time taken by the train plus time taken by the bus, which is equal to 4 hours plus 10 minutes. Clear? That is, what will be the time taken by the train? In this case, 100 distance traveled in train divided by the speed of the train plus distance traveled, what the time taken by the plus time taken by the bus is equal to distance traveled in bus divided by the speed of the bus, which is equal to 4 plus 10 minutes. Here one quantity is given hours and here one part of the time is given in hours and one part is given in minutes. So better this minute convert into hour, that will be 10 by 60 divided by 60 because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. That implies 100 by x plus 200 by y is equal to, what will we get? 250 by 60. Cancel, we will get 25 by 6. This is the two equations we have got from this question. Now these two equations also not in linear form. So convert into linear form by putting p equal to 1 by x and q equal to 1 by y. Solve it. Okay. So with this, I am going to conclude this chapter. The optional exercise you can try yourself. If any questions is there, you can ask it. Okay. So in the next video, I will discuss another chapter, quadratic equation. Thank you all.